foolish gate. Are you mad? You're very stupid. I don't want to. I don't even want to. They are fired. Come on, go and pack your load. I don't want you to do this. I don't want to hear anything. Go and pack your load. I'll stand another person. Now go and pack your load and get out of my house. You must very stupid. I don't. Come on, stand up. No, I will apply that person. Get out. Idiot. Come on, get out of here. Idiot boy. I don't see this boy. He's very stupid. This boy is very stupid. He just going like inside my house. I will even start him. No, I want to start him. I'm here since morning, knock him. He's not even answer.
So baby, what do you want to do?
See this idiot. Where are you going with my son?
Leave my pikin jare. I'm not a picture of love.
You're
What's the question you're asking?
look at this boy.
I don't understand. You want to start
Explain this matter to
questioning me
me.
or what? Explain what's the matter. I don't understand.
This matter to me.
Come on, see matter. Come on, go settle matter.
What are you saying?
I'm not the father of that son.
How you know the father of this son?
I'm not the father.
If not the father, nobody else.
We have settled this matter. We don't settle.
Wait, more settle the matter.
Which matter? We don't settle this matter. I said we have settled.